Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think it's extremely clear that this is an A, a B, and a C, especially looking at correlated yen pairs. I do believe that this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and I still think it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this wave C trend. I still think it needs to take out the higher wave A, probably the 100% Fibonacci extension, right around the 104, maybe 103 area is still my target on this move. So taking it down, or the 203, I'm sorry, 203, 204 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think this is where you can start to see the subdivisions because I think this is the main 1 and 2 right here. But I think we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3 forming. But the important thing that is for me that we have no breaker structure to the downside. We have no lower high. We have no breaker structure. We have no Fibonacci bounce. For me, there's no reason to go to the shorter time frames and start looking for shorts. I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. Now going down to the daily, I think we are probably in a crescent, but it's probably a crescent to this move up. It's probably just going to do something like this and probably just keep on trending down. Unless the higher time frames, like the daily time frame and up, tell me that this is going down, which we definitely have not seen that yet. I am primarily on the long side still. Now going down to the 4 hour time frame, I do think it is probably going to go down again before it goes up. I think this is likely to be an A. I think this might actually pop up one more time to finish off the wave B and then go down for a wave C, maybe to 61 or to 78%, and then continue back up for a continuation of the uptrend. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, the yen pairs have pretty much been extremely sideways. Today is a bank holiday for pretty much everybody in the world, along with Monday, and then obviously Sunday is Easter. So I think that this is probably going to continue to be very, very sideways, very, very choppy. To me, I would think that this would go up and probably take out these highs at least to the 50% to finish off a wave B before it goes down for a wave C. But with the holiday, I think that it may just end up continuing to be very, very choppy. I still think it needs to make an ABC crescent. And I still think eventually it's going to continue the uptrend. I just wouldn't expect a whole lot of movement out of it today because of the bank holiday in most of the world. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.